Motivational, educational, and clear English for learners. Hello, and welcome back to the English Language Center. I'm Natasha, and today we'll explore a truly exciting and life-changing topic: development of yourself with AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and even learn. But here's the real question: how can you use AI to become a better, smarter, and more successful version of yourself? In this video, we'll learn how AI can help you improve your skills, confidence, career, and personal growth, step by step. So stay with me till the end, because this could be the beginning of a new journey for you. Before we start using AI for self-development, let's understand what AI actually means. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's a technology that allows machines or software to think, learn, and solve problems like humans. Every time you use Google Search, ChatGPT, YouTube recommendations, or voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, you're using AI. But AI isn't just for big companies or tech experts. It's also for you to learn faster, work smarter, and even discover your hidden potential. In simple words, AI is like your personal helper, always ready to guide, support, and teach you anything, anytime. Let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to use AI for learning. In the past, learning new skills was difficult. You had to go to school, buy books, or pay for expensive courses. But now, with AI, you can learn anything online, completely free or at a very low cost. For example, AI platforms like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude can explain complex ideas in simple English. If you want to learn English, programming, digital marketing, or even music, AI can help you step by step. It can create a personal study plan, quiz you, correct your grammar, and motivate you to keep learning every day. So learning is no longer limited by money or location, only by your motivation. Now, let's talk about your career development. In today's world, AI is not taking jobs, it's changing jobs. The truth is, people who use AI will replace those who don't. If you use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Notion AI for organization, or Jasper for content creation, you can do your work faster and better. For example, if you're a student, AI can help you summarize textbooks or write essays. If you're a designer, AI can suggest creative ideas or generate images. If you're a marketer, AI can help write ads or analyze customer data. The key is not to fear AI, but to partner with it. AI won't replace you if you know how to use it effectively. One of the best ways AI can help you is by improving your communication skills. Many of us struggle with speaking English fluently or writing confidently. But with AI, that can change. You can practice English conversation with AI chatbots, just like chatting with a friend. You can ask it to correct your pronunciation, grammar, or writing style. Tools like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, or Grammarly make your English sound natural and professional. So if you dream of speaking confidently in interviews, meetings, or even public speeches, AI is your free language coach. AI isn't only about learning or work, it's also about self-discovery. Have you ever felt confused about your goals, passions, or what you really want from life? AI can help you reflect on that. You can ask AI questions like, what career suits my interests? How can I build better habits? What's the best way to manage stress? AI can analyze your answers and give you insights about your strengths, weaknesses, and possibilities. Of course, it's not perfect. You still make the final decision, but it can help you understand yourself better, like a personal coach who never sleeps. Let's talk about another important area: productivity. We often start something with energy, but lose motivation halfway. That's where AI tools can help you stay organized and focused. You can use apps like Notion AI, Todoist, or ChatGPT reminders to plan your day and track progress. AI can remind you of your goals, suggest time schedules, and help you balance work and rest. You can even ask AI to motivate you with quotes, success stories, or small challenges every day. In this way, AI becomes your personal assistant, helping you build habits, stay disciplined, and achieve more in less time. Let's look at some real-life examples of people using AI for personal development. Students use AI tutors to prepare for exams and improve writing. Designers use AI art tools to create new concepts and save time. Teachers use AI to make lessons interactive and engaging. Entrepreneurs use AI for marketing and business ideas. These people didn't wait for AI to change the world. They started using AI to change themselves first. And that's exactly what you can do too. Before we finish, one important thing: use AI ethically. AI is powerful, but don't use it to cheat, lie, or replace your real effort. Use it to learn, create, and grow. The goal is not to become lazy. The goal is to become smart and capable. So, my friends, that's how you can develop yourself with AI, by learning, growing, and becoming more confident every day. AI is not your enemy. It's your opportunity. Your self-development journey starts when you decide to use AI as your partner for learning and improvement. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on the English Language Center. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below. How are you using AI to improve yourself? I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay curious, and keep learning.